Good morning. Welcome to the class of economics of class 9. This is chapter 4, part 9 video. You can open page number 36. In the last video, we have discussed characteristic of underdeveloped economies. In this very video, we will be discussing about distinction between developed and underdeveloped economies. So, our main focus is the distinction between developed and underdeveloped economies. So, we will be discussing about the differences in developed and underdeveloped economies on 11 parameters, that is per capita income, incidence of poverty, occupation, technology, productivity, utilization of resources, population, distribution, employment, infrastructure and human capital. So let's discuss with the first point that the level of per capita income is high and hence the standard of living is high in developed economy, whereas the level of per capita income is low, hence the standard of living is also low in underdeveloped economies. Second point, incidence of poverty. Incidence of poverty is low in developed economies, whereas there exists widespread poverty in underdeveloped economies. Third point, occupation. Here industrial and services sector dominate in developed economies, whereas in underdeveloped economies, agriculture is the main occupation of the people. As far as technology is concerned, techniques of production are highly advanced, capital intensive techniques are used in developed economies, whereas techniques of production are old and outdated in underdeveloped economies. Fifth point, productivity. Productivity of labor is very high in developed economy because the labor are highly educated, highly trained and they are healthy. Whereas in underdeveloped economy, productivity of labor is low because their training is not up to mark and their health is also not appropriate for the purpose of employment. Next, sixth point, utilization of resource. In developed economy, there is proper utilization of available resource, whereas in underdeveloped economies, underutilization of resource is possible. Seventh point, population. The developed economies are not overpopulated, rate of growth of population is low in the developed economies. In the underdeveloped economies, these economies are overpopulated, growth rate of population is very high, and this is the cause of underdevelopment of the underdeveloped economies. Next is distribution. The gap between rich and the poor is less in developed economies. On the other hand, in the underdeveloped economies, the gap between rich and the poor is more. As far as employment is concerned, there is no problem of unemployment in these economies. All people are employed. If at all there exists unemployment, it is temporary. डेवलप्ड इकोनॉमी में अगर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट होता भी है तो वो टेम्पररी होता है, वहाँ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट की समस्या नहीं होती है. वेयर एज इन अंडर डेवलप्ड इकोनॉमी देयर एग्जिस्ट वाइड स्प्रेड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इन दीज इकोनॉमी. द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट हियर इज क्रोनिक. यहाँ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट की गंभीर समस्या है और यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा तादाद में अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है. नेक्स्ट, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. Infrastructure facilities are quite substantial in developed economies, whereas in underdeveloped economy, infrastructure is inadequate. Human capital. As far as human capital is concerned, in developed economy, quality of human capital is better, high literacy ratio, adequate availability of health, and sanitation facilities are also available in developed economies. When we talk about underdeveloped economy, quality of human capital is poor, low literacy ratio, inadequate health facilities are found in underdeveloped economy. So these are the differences between developed economies and underdeveloped economies. We have discussed 11 points of difference, distinction between developed and underdeveloped economy. So with this, the fourth chapter is complete and your syllabus for the first term is also complete. So best of luck for exam and stay safe and take care. Bye.